Hello guys, welcome to another backtesting video. Today I came back with another backtest on Monday, 22 January 2024. So this was the second trade that we got on January. As you guys know, January was a very slow month. Literally nothing happened on January, and for 2 weeks the market has been doing, even the high impact news are not able to create a trend as they do in other times, whereas on Monday there was no news. So if I show you the my FX books calendar, Monday there was no trade. So also the daily bias was bullish. Why, you may be asking? Because of how this candle closed on Friday. The weekly bias on GBP USD is not clear, so I will trade the daily bias, as you guys know. And whereas this was a demand zone on daily time frame, which caused this break of structure. Due to this break of structure, the demand zone was valid. And let me show you the DXY bias to confirm my bias. And on DXY there was a very clean fair value gap to the downside, which can be filled. That obviously the market's going up. On daily time frame it's bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, and it can easily go fill up the fair value gap and then go up, or it can also directly continue up to from here. So we as traders at the moment, now today, what's happening, that's what matters the most. So right now on Friday the market closed as a bearish pin bar. So going on Monday, if I will be looking for something, that will be sells on DXY and buys on GBP USD. So keeping that in mind, we went to the 4-hour time frames to see the market structure. So on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see the market was here choppy, doing nothing. Here it's changed character to the downside, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher highs. It is the change of character right here. And also this is the break of structure. On the 4-hourly the market was bullish, and this was the demand right here due to this break of structure. Now on the 1-hourly time frame, hourly time frame, this was the day high, this was the day low. So obviously on the hour we marked the demand zones for buying on the hourly time frame. So this was the hourly demand that I was looking to trade from. So if I'm looking for demand on GU, then I will look for supply on DXY automatically, right? So this was the supply zone I was looking to trade from. Me marking a supply or demand doesn't matter, is irrelevant. We have to wait for the Asian range to close. So the Asian range did something like this, and obviously after the Asian range closed something like that, what we do, we go to the lower time frames like the M15 and mark the Asian high, Asian low. So obviously my bias is bullish, so the best case scenario will be the Asian low getting swept, this previous structural liquidity getting swept, mitigated this demand zone, and then having a buy move from here. So let's see. So also we are looking to trade from 1:30 PM UK time, sorry, 1:30 PM IST, which is 8 AM UK time, right? So I took the trade on basis of this move. The Asian low got swept, and exactly at our timing a bullish move happened. Me, in the back of my mind, I thought that this might be an inducement, but I believed on the process and I took the trade. Maybe sometimes it works, right? But in this case, this was exactly, my intuition was correct. And also there was so much of liquidity on the downside to sweep. Why will the market make a move from here? I was thinking that. So also on DXY, the Asian high was not swept. The Asian low was swept on the GU, but the Asian high was not swept on DXY. So this move here was a fake move. At the time of trading, literally I felt like this was the move, but this wasn't. Also DXY correlation is very important, as I've shown you just now. So this was just an inducement, and after that the real move happened. We lost the trade, obviously. This was the losing trade that I've journaled and I've also written down on a book. But after that the real move happened, and this was a winning trade, but we took the L, if it makes sense. So it is what it is. We have learned from this trade, which is the most important thing. And yeah, next time if something like this happens and I have an intuition and there is liquidity to sweep in the market, then obviously we'll wait. Patience is the key in success in trading. Patience. Only the patient traders will get paid. That's it.